said that the greatest mission that we have is to prevent a militant Islamic regime from meeting up with nuclear weapons or from nuclear weapons meeting up with a militant Islamic regime. The first is called Iran, the second is called Pakistan. Because if these radical regimes have nuclear weapons, they will not obey the rules that have been obeyed in the last almost 7 decades.
The game has just begun as topic for this program. Pakistan's field marshal between three devils and the deep sea. Ladies and gentlemen, the red carpet has been rolled up. The clinking glasses have gone silent. The lavish dinners, just memories now. Pakistan's newly elevated field marshal's returning home. He was not on an ordinary trip. This was a mission shrouded in mystery, soaked in pressure, and loaded with expectations. On one hand, the so-called global policemen, those who've never wanted Iran, Pakistan, or any Muslim country to have nukes, are whispering orders behind closed doors. On the other hand, the FM carries with him a portfolio fattened with promises, threats, and perhaps, a golden leash. Now the nation waits. We wait. 2 doors stand before him. Door 1, silence. Obedience. Sugar-coated statements for public consumption. The polished script of a good soldier. Play the role, say the lines, toe the line. Obey. Door 2, resistance. He steps forward, removes the mask, and tells the nation. Why was I summoned? What was demanded? What role do they expect us to play in the Iran-Israel inferno? And then refuse. Defy. Win the hearts of the people by becoming a national hero. Out IK Imran Khan. But there's no third door. Not in the eyes of the ordinary Pakistani. The public stands firmly anti-Israel. The sea is deep, and the sharks are within, unforgiving. And if you think it ends there, think again. Behind the curtain stand 3 devils. Trump, the wildcard with a grudge. MBS, the prince with plans. BB, the personality with a cold stare and a sharp game. And facing them? The deep sea, the people of Pakistan. But wait. There's another card he might play. A card soaked in khaki. Before he speaks, he might call the corps commanders. Share the burden. Gauge loyalty. Measure options. And maybe, just maybe, pack his bags for Beijing. To hear what dragon diplomacy has to offer before the eagle calls again. The stage is set. The clock ticks. Will he rise as a statesman? Or fall as a pawn? Drop your thoughts below. Like, share and subscribe, because the game has just begun.